Welcome to Impact Phase. Today we are going to be solving waec 2023 essay question 8B. So we are actually trying to solve the calculation questions. So in case you have issues with the calculation questions, you can follow me on my YouTube platform and any other social media platform. So I'm going to read the question and then we'll solve. The question reads, the diagram below illustrates an oscillatory pendulum. Calculate the work done in raising the pendulum to point B. If the mass of the bulb is 50 grams, you have to take G to be 10 meters per second square. Are you there? So now I was able to reproduce the diagram. So you have a diagram here. You have the angle here to be 60 degrees and then you have here to be what? 10 meters. Now they show this diagram with a dimension line. But what I'm not okay with is that this particular value here, that this 60 cm, I mean to say that there is no dimension line here to tell us where the 60 cm starts and where it stops. So I'm going to be working with this one that is a little bit specific. So the work done is simply potential energy. And potential energy is giving us mgh. And then this will be equal to the mass was already given to be what? 0.05 times gravity, which is g, acceleration due to gravity is given as 10 times 10 again for the height. Look at the height was already given to be 10 meters from this point to point B, 10 meters. So because it was specific, I decided to use it. Someone else can decide to solve this differently by estimating this height using the length of the pendulum thread, but there is no dimension line. That's why I did not use this particular value. So if you solve this, you're going to have 5 what joules if you should use your calculator to calculate that, and that would just be it. But if I was given this specifically that this is actually the length from this point to with a dimension line, I would have estimated this height here using trig ratios. So thank you very much. Continue to follow me as we continue to solve.